How to see the hidden chat on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can see the hidden chat in Viber. For that, open your Viber application on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will find this interface on your screen. From the list, find the chat you want to hide. Once you find the chat you want to hide, tap and hold the chat until you find some options. From the options, here you will find Hide Chat option. Click on this option and now here you will have to set 4-digit PIN. If you are doing it for the first time, you may need to confirm the PIN. Now as you can see, I have hidden the chat. Now to find the hidden chat, you'll have to click on the search icon at the top right and at the search bar type the same PIN that you have set previously and click on this search button. Below you will find the hidden chat that you have hid a while ago. So in this way you can see the hidden chat in Viber. Make sure you remember this PIN so that you can see the hidden chat in Viber. Now if you want to unhide this chat, you can simply tap and hold it until some options pop up and from the options click on this unhide chat. By doing so, again you will have to enter your 4-digit PIN. Then you can see you have successfully unhide the chat in Viber. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.